Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix destination folder access denied in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by going to this PC. So here I have one USB pen drive, right? I'll just open it and just let me try to copy one file here. So I'll just click on replace. Now I'll just click on continue. So you can see a message that is informing me you need permission to perform this action, and in the top left side you can see a message destination folder access denied, right? So if you get this kind of message when you try to copy any files or folders on your respective USB pen drives, and you get this kind of message that you are unable to copy, so you need a permission. So actually it's not a problem with your USB pen drive. There is a settings which is enabled on your system itself, that is on the Windows computer. So how to disable it or how to fix this kind of errors? So for this, what you need to do on your computer keyboard, just press Win plus R to open the run command, and the run command you need to type this command gpedit.msc. just type this command. After typing this command, hit enter, or you can just click on OK. Now you will see the local group policy, right? So under the computer configurations, you can see one option below, administrative templates. Select it, and you can see on the left side arrow, just click on it. Now below you can see here one option, system. Just select it, and once again click on this arrow. Now just scroll down below and search for one folder named as removable storage access. Just click on it. Now on the right side here one option is enabled, as you can see here, removable disk deny write access, right? Just double click it. Now here you can see it's enabled, right? So you can just set it on not configured, or you can set it as disabled. Not configured is the default one, so just select it and just click on apply. Wait for a few seconds. So you can see a pop-up message that is directly opening the files or folders of your USB pen drive. That means this option is enabled right now. So after clicking on apply, just click on OK. Now let us try to copy that file again. So finally you can copy any files, right? So now the destinations folder access denied is disabled or fixed finally. So if you get this kind of message when you try to copy any file or folders on your respective USB pen drive, then you can use this tutorial to fix this kind of issues. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.